Guided meditation on gratitude. Welcome, dear ones, to this guided meditation on gratitude. Please find a comfortable seat in a quiet place where you won't be interrupted for the next 30 minutes. Sit with your spine straight and your body relaxed, so you won't need to change your position during the meditation. Close your eyes and start to observe your breath. Don't intervene, simply allow your breath to flow naturally. Begin to bring awareness to your body. How do you feel? Are there any areas that are tense? We will go through a short sequence to relax your body and release stress. If during this exercise you find areas of tension, breathe and focus on relieving any blockages in those areas. Start by relaxing your left foot, then your lower leg and calf. Continue with your right foot, lower leg and calf. Feel the difference between your relaxed legs and the rest of your body. Now let's move to your hips, buttocks, lower back, spine. Breathe. Relax your spine every centimeter. The upper back, the neck. Feel every muscle that supports your spine and let them relax. Now, breathe into your abdomen, chest and shoulders. Notice how the parts of your body you've relaxed feel different, feel lighter. Let the sensation of relaxation sink into your body. Relax your left hand completely from the fingertips to the shoulder. Relax your right hand completely from the fingers to the shoulder. Relax your neck, face, cheeks, lips, eyes, forehead. Smile. Always remember to smile. Finally, relax your head, hair follicles and ears. Feel your body totally relaxed and start noticing the contours of your body becoming lighter and brighter. Open yourself to the universe, letting it reflect within you. Focus on your chest area, especially around your heart. Visualize a white, warm light coming from above, illuminating your being and connecting to your heart. You feel the connection between your heart and the heart of the universe. You feel a sense of joy, warmth, love, and gratitude. You might experience these feelings as if for the first time. Or you may recall a time in the past when you felt them in their purest form. Take a moment to connect to these feelings and let them warm your heart and your entire being. Feel the light flowing abundantly with the feelings of joy, warmth, love, and gratitude. Let these feelings settle into your heart. Creating a home there. Visualize a spring emerging from your heart, flowing with gratitude. This sense of gratitude isn't tied to anything specific. Even though you have many reasons to be grateful. It is a gratitude without an object. You exist in gratitude. Your very essence is gratitude. Whenever you feel this feeling fading, remember you can always return to the spring within your heart and reconnect with gratitude, joy, and love. This spring is always within you. In your darkest times, come back to it. It will nourish you forever. Continue to feel the sense of gratitude and the connection to the spring within your heart. You can come back to the spring by doing this meditation anytime. It is recommended to do it for at least 7 days so you can enter a state of flow. As we end this meditation, start to feel the gentle breeze and slowly begin moving your fingers and toes. May you carry the blessings you received with you and have a beautiful day or night ahead. Namaste.